I'm eager to explore the lab since I am interested in studying the many kinds of firearms and learning about their history.
I wanna try this ballistic laboratory because there's a lot of tools and equipment that can be used to examine a different caliber of firearms, its mechanisms, as well as different types of bullets, shells, and cartridges. Understand how internal ballistics, external ballistics, terminal ballistics, and forensic ballistics works in one place. This type of laboratory ensures that all criminology students will increase their ability and understanding for crime investigation involving firearms.
The mastery of forensic ballistic skills offers significant advantage for me as criminology student and for my future career. These skills provide a understanding of firearm-related crimes, enhancing investigative capabilities, and contributing to the pursuit of justice. This skill also support academic pursuit and research in criminology, allowing to the study of firearm violence, the effectiveness of ballistic evidence and investigations, and the development of new forensic techniques that will help in the future examination for ballistics.